Has your wife been bugging you for an air fryer? Has your husband blown up your microwave making Marie Calendar Popeyes? Well, we have a solution for you. And what is our solution, Vanna?
Funny you should ask. We now have a microwave, plus air fryer, plus convection oven.
Wait a minute, Vanna. Did you say microwave and air fryer and convection oven?
I did. It is a 3-in-1.
Ooh, doggy. It is made by Galanz. It is an enhanced air fry technology. It also is a true convection oven, even roasting and baking. And we also have an auto cook and auto reheat, as well as a few accessories come with this package. The air fry kit, the baking and roasting pan, and a removable 10 and 3/4 inch glass turntable. Wicka wicka.
Eat your heart out, K&R's destination. We went bougie with our air fryer. Let me show you why. Here is for your pizzas with your convection oven. Beautiful. Next is the air fryer. Look at it.
You got to look at it this way, okay? You just got to look at it.
And then we have the 10 and 3/4 inch glass turntable. And you can see underneath here, you have the convection oven and also for the air fryer, all in one unit.
It's pretty light.
Yep, it's actually the same size as what the existing microwave in the RV was. It is 19 inches wide by 11 inches high by
Which was wide?
This microwave slash air fryer slash convection oven is 19 inches wide by 11 inches high by 15 and 3/4 inches deep. So it'll fit just right into our original RV spot. And we did confirm with an RV service specialist that we can use a traditional house microwave as long as we have the proper ventilation up top and along the bottoms, which I will use the existing mounting brackets to have that. It'll work plenty fine. So we are going to get this in and start making food. French fries, get your French fries here.
Thanks for watching, everybody. If you would like to check out Thanks for watching, everybody.
Nope. No.
Thanks for watching.
Now start. You start too fast like I do.
Thanks for watching, everybody. If you'd like to check out some more of our videos, we will drop a video link here and here. Thank you, and subscribe and turn on those notifications so you get more wonderful videos from us.